यस भाई यस, लिटरली टीवी फोड़े हैं भाई रूबन आमोरिम ने इनसाइड द ड्रेसिंग रूम आउट ऑफ द फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग 3-1 लॉस अगेंस्ट ब्राइटन एट ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड इन द प्रीमियर लीग। भाई मजा आ गया भाई ये न्यूज सुन के। ही शाउटेड एट द प्लेयर्स वर शॉक्ड एज टू व्हाट इज हैपनिंग एंड ये देख के मैं बहुत खुश हुआ भाई, लिटरली बहुत खुश हुआ। मेरे को एक पुराने मैनेजर की याद आ गई यार, अ मैनेजर हु यूज्ड टू गिव द हेयर ड्रायर ट्रीटमेंट to the players. Of course, it is the one and only, for me, the greatest manager of all time, Sir Alex Ferguson. And I was really happy with this news, bhai. So we'll discuss about this. Second news, what we will discuss about is Patrick Dorgu, yaar. He is apparently close to signing Manchester United. And उस पे लेचे, द इटालियन क्लब लेचे का जो डायरेक्टर है स्टिची डामियानी, ही हैज सेड समथिंग एंड देयर इज एन अपडेट ऑन दैट। उसके बारे में बात करेंगे। थर्ड वी विल टॉक अबाउट बड़े भैया क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो रीचिंग 100 प्लस गोल्स प्लस असिस्ट्स in the 92 games he has played for Al Nassr after leaving Manchester United. 918 career goals, 82 more to go for 1000 goals. Number 4, Marcus Rashford's camp had a meeting with Barcelona's director Deco today. So वहाँ क्या developments हुई, we'll talk about that. Number 5 is Alejandro Garnacho's news. And what is the development on him going to Napoli or Chelsea? We'll discuss about that. And the last news is that if you were watching Champions League football yesterday night and you saw the match between Benfica and Barcelona, it was absolutely crazy. अगर तुमने देखा है, so you would definitely have something to say. Either you will say that Barcelona completed a crazy comeback, being 3-1 down in the first half, to winning the match with the last kick of the ball 5-4, or you will say that Benfica got robbed because the referee gave the worst decisions ever and gave penalties to Barcelona to help them make the comeback. So मैं साइंस की तरफ हूँ भाई, मैंने फुटबॉल एंजॉय किया, मेरे को मजा आया। तुम इसके बारे में बताना तुम्हें कैसा लगा। But yes, yaar, let's start with the first news, and that is literally Ruben Amorim broke the dressing room TV after the Brighton loss. Players were left shocked by this outburst, as Amorim's usual policy of remaining quiet in the moment that followed the full-time whistle, preferring to conduct a debrief the following day. So normally वो अगले दिन बोलता है, but वो इतना frustrated था, the fact that they lost at home once again, 2 wins in the last 10 Premier League matches. And he literally said in the post-match press conference that we are probably being the worst team in the history of Manchester United. Those are crazy statements. Those are statements from a guy who is visibly frustrated. He is demanding more from the players. He is demanding more from his management to get the player he wants. He wants the players who are already there to fight for the bloody badge. And again, like I said, मेरे को बहुत खुशी हुई. This only shows that how much Ruben Amorim cares for the club and how much he understands that the fans are looking for with this Manchester United team. Someone had to do it. It was bloody high time. आई एम सो हैप्पी। तुम्हें पता है भाई मेरा प्यार है रूबन आमोरिम, रूबीना आमोरिम, समझ रहे हो ना भाई, जिसको पता है उसको पता है। इस पे और भी रिपोर्ट्स आ रही थी दैट यू नो इट वाजंट जस्ट द टीवी, इट वाज चेयर्स एंड टेबल्स ऑल्सो ही थ्रू अराउंड, मतलब किसी प्लेयर के लिए नहीं, गुस्सा अपना एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए। एंड देयर वर अदर रिपोर्ट्स दैट द प्लेयर्स आर ऑल्सो शाउटिंग एट ईच अदर। गुड, आई थिंक दैट्स अ गुड न्यूज़। ऐसे तुम सोचोगे कि लड़ाई कर रहे हैं, बट वो लड़ाई तभी करेंगे ना इफ इट मीन्स समथिंग टू देम। एंड फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट, सिर्फ सैलरी के लिए हर एक प्लेयर को हम नहीं लाते हैं। इट इज़ टू रिप्रेजेंट अ क्लब एंड इट इज़ आर क्लब भाई, हम फैंस हैं उस क्लब के। इट वॉज गुड टू सी दैट रूबन आमोरिम इज मेकिंग दिस डिसीजन, सो आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी। क्विकली मूविंग ऑन टू द सेकेंड न्यूज़ विच इज़ ऑल अराउंड पैट्रिक डोरगू। पैट्रिक डोरगू कौन है मैं बता चुका हूँ, वापस बता देता हूँ। इज़ अ 20-year-old डेनमार्क इंटरनेशनल हु प्लेज एट लेफ्ट विंग बैक एंड लेफ्ट बैक। 6 फुट 1 इंच है, वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग बिल्ट, good obviously in the Italian league, but Premier League is a different ball game altogether. He is known for his good dribbling. Even in the deepest of position वो dribble करके चले जाता है and he creates chances. He has the ability to stretch the defenses, and because Nuno Mendes is costly, because Milos Kerkez is costly, so I think Manchester United are landing up upon him. So we were in talks with Patrick Dorgu's team, तो जिस पे लेचेज डायरेक्टर, लेचे के लिए खेलता है बेसिकली वो इटली में, इज़ अ डेनमार्क इंटरनेशनल, बट लेचे के डायरेक्टर ने बोला whose name is Tichi Damiani. He said that we met Man United and we told them that our plan is to keep our players, including Patrick Dorgu. We are delighted to have Manchester United here to make a proposal, but our target is to stay in the Serie A is crucial भाई. This फॉर मी ओनली मीन्स इनको पैसा चाहिए भाई. ये 20-25 मिलियन में नहीं देंगे. दे लिटरली वॉन्ट मिनिमम ऑफ 40 मिलियन एंड आई डोंट थिंक वी शुड पे 40 मिलियन फॉर अ प्लेयर हु इज नॉट प्रूवन in the Premier League, who doesn't understand the Amorim system. Italian league और Premier League में जमीन आसमान का फर्क है. I think his value is not more than 20, at max 25. उससे ज़्यादा हो ही नहीं सकता. And this is hard ball यार. Cool. Let's quickly move on to the third news, which is Cristiano Ronaldo. So Ronaldo भाई again scored a brace in the previous match. 2 गोल मारे उसने. He reaches 100 plus goals and assists in 92 games since he has joined Al Nassr. 918 career goals, 82 more goals to go for the 1000 goal milestone for Cristiano Ronaldo. Not related directly to Man United, but बड़े भैया की न्यूज़ आनी चाहिए भाई, क्योंकि बड़े भैया deserves that यार. So congratulations to Cristiano Ronaldo. Sui. Let's move on quickly to the next news. Marcus Rashford भाई. Marcus Rashford's camp had a meeting with Barcelona director Deco today. It took place in Lisbon as per reports. Barcelona are keen on signing Rashford and he's open to the move, but depends on exits of Eric Garcia between Como and Girona, and Ansu Fati's situation is one news which came. And uske baad again Fabrizio tweeted that Barcelona's director Deco on meeting on Rashford said, "We are fully focused on new contracts now. Then if we can bring the other reinforcements, that will always be welcomed. The coach is happy with the squad we have, so any future decisions will be later." I don't know what to make about it. I just want that Marcus Rashford should absolutely leave the club. बहुत हो गया भाई. Thank you Marcus Rashford. Please निकलो. Don't even think of coming back and playing for Manchester United once again, because it was you who bloody decided that you don't want to play. You bloody gave an interview and now you are stuck between a rock and a hard place. Literally फंसा हुआ है ना भाई. ना उसको क्लब मिल रहा है, अपने पुराने क्लब को गाली दे चुका है और 3 करोड़ रुपए हफ्ते का ऐसे ही कमा रहा है. So now it is up to you and your brother to find a club for you. If Barcelona are agreeing, please go sign with Barcelona. Of course हम आधी सैलरी तुम्हारे को देंगे. तुम्हारे अब क्या ही कर सकते हैं, because we have given you a 300,000 pound contract per week. Other option again still remains Borussia Dortmund. Are they interested? How much are they willing to pay? Does Rashford want to go there? बहुत सारे questions है. उसका answer I think we'll get within the 8 to 10 days. But Fabrizio Romano also said that he is not ruling out the possibility of coming back to Manchester United. तो I just don't want that. Barcelona ने जाना है जा, हम आधे पैसे दे देंगे, यहाँ मत आइयो. Again, no disrespect to him, but the situation which he has created around him is his own fault भाई. And the last news is about the greatest of all time. ना Antony भाई. Real Madrid, Barcelona, Atletico Madrid, be worried because Antony the GOAT has landed or is about to land in Spain. Of course उसका Real Betis के साथ contracts almost close हो चुके हैं, finalize हो चुके हैं. So let's hope he joins them soon. All the best to Antony. May you get better so that we can sell you once you come back at the end of the season. Bye. Cool. दिस वॉज द न्यूज़ गाइस. थोड़ा सा सुबह हो गया. लिटरली बताऊं तुम्हारे को कैसे टाइम दिखाऊं भाई, मेरे को पता नहीं, बट सुबह के 7 बज रहे हैं भाई अभी. तो वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करते करते 7 बज गए. ऑल आई वांट इज कि मैं ये सब करते रहूँगा, तुम बस एक लाइक का बटन दबा देना भाई, ठीक है. आदियोस अमीगोस, लव यू, टेक केयर, मिस यू भाई. ये क्या था भाई.